got love, we got fam, we got dreams to chase. We stay fly, we stay strong, always moving in faith. Jeremy holding it down, Jocelyn bringing that crown, Deuce and Janelle running around, and baby Jackson, prince of the town. I'm outside, yeah, we living real right. Marriage, travel, love, no denying. Hit that like, subscribe, come tap it, come along, let's ride. Allen family, we outside. Yeah. We outside, we outside, we outside. Allen family.
Okay, so this is cabin 2387 on the Carnival Sunrise. The toddler is not included. But this room is fit for 5. There is only one bunk bed. And then the sofa turns into a bed. The 5th guest, which I would not recommend this unless you have kids, is on a trundle bed. And then these beds can be separated into 2 twins, or you can have it as a king. So since we're a family, mommy and daddy will sleep in this bed. Jackson will sleep in this bed. Jeremy Jr. will sleep in this bed. And Janelle will sleep on the sofa sleeper. And then it is an ocean view cabin. This particular one is also a connecting cabin. We don't have anyone that we know with the connecting, but if you were booking this room and trying to share with another group, that is an option. You have a flat screen TV. You have a mirror. You have shelving for all of your items. You have a cooler. Not a refrigerator, a cooler. More shelving space. You have your phone. You have 2 USBs. You have 2 traditional outlets. You have the European outlet as well. I have not turned the light on yet. You do need some sort of key card in here. So if you got an old hotel key card or something like that. You have closet space. Plenty of closet space. There's 3 sets of closets. Oh, this one is has shelves, and it's also where all of the life vests are, and they just kind of exploded when I opened this. Might not want to open that one again. This one has hangers and more life vests. This one has the safe, a shelf, and then more storage space.
I did not do any footage of the bathroom. It was your standard Carnival bathroom with a shower curtain. But at initial look, when I walked into the bathroom, it looked like the bathroom was not cleaned. It looked like there was a Comet or some type of bathroom cleaner sprinkled all over the counter. But then after taking the time to wipe it with a towel, it was discovered that it was a stain. Perhaps a guest had used something that stained the countertop very badly, or maybe there was a cleaning product that was used. But like I said, at initial look, it looked like the bathroom was filthy. But it wasn't. Everything was clean and in pristine shape. So I just popped this photo up of a standard Carnival bathroom.
Yeah, we outside, we outside.